All right, let's dive into another Mtel question, dude. This one says, given that a over b is a proper fraction greater than 0, which of the following inequalities is true for all positive integer values of c? And these are our options here. So a proper fraction is a fraction that has a numerator that's smaller than the denominator. An improper fraction has a larger numerator than a denominator. So proper fraction is the opposite. So we know that a is less than b, and we're doing all these things. So we're doing a different operation in each answer. We're subtracting an a, adding an b, multiplying and dividing in c and d. So with multiplication, you can actually just simplify this because a times c over b times c, you can cancel the c's. We've got a c in the top, c in the bottom. So this actually just says a over b is greater than a over b, which is not true. A over b is going to equal a over b. The same thing is happening in d. If you're dividing by the same thing, the numerator and the denominator, you can cancel them, and we get the same thing. So c and d are gone because you can simplify them to a over b is greater than a over b, which is not true. So now I just want to test values for a and b here. I have a feeling that b might be the answer because we want it to be greater than, and we're adding. So I'm just going to test b first. So I'm going to just make up values for a and b. I'm going to say it's 1/3, which is a reasonable improper fraction, right? And I'm going to say our c value is 2. So for b, if I add 2 to the top and the bottom, like I do with the c value, then what I get is 3 over 5. And 3 over 5 is definitely bigger than 1/3. And this is going to hold true for any values that I might put in there, because when you have a numerator that's smaller than the denominator, adding some value to the top and the bottom is going to have a bigger impact on the numerator than it's going to have on the denominator. As you can see with this example right here, if I have 1/3 and I add 2 to both, the numerator is getting bigger faster in terms of the ratio of the two numbers. So our answer here is B.